In this video, I will tell you how to show COD only for country Israel. So I have already set this up. You can check for this particular country Israel. COD is available. If I select any other country, then COD will not be available. So I will tell you how to set this up. For this, I am using Advanced Cash on Delivery app in my Shopify account. So you can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. It's very easy to use. Once installed, then go to Advanced COD button, then limit COD based on location configure button. Then select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have added fee for cash on delivery, then just toggle on this button and select your delivery method. So as of now I don't need this, so I'm toggling off this button and change the status to enabled. And from country drop down menu, select allow COD for this country and select your country, that is Israel, and then save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Just go to your catalog and add any products to the cart and check if COD is available. Now we will change the country to Israel. And just fill your full address and then check. We can see cash on delivery is available. If I select any other country, just like India, COD will not be available. COD will be available only for country Israel. So here we can see that only prepaid options are available. COD is not available for any other country. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to show COD only for Israel. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.